You know how some cars just scream for attention? Wild spoilers, oversized grills, flashy badges, and then there's the 2025 Volkswagen Polo. It doesn't scream, it whispers, confidently. And somehow, that whisper is louder than all the noise out there, because here's the thing. While everyone's chasing trends, the Polo has been perfecting timeless. And in 2025, it might have just nailed it. Let's dive into why this little hatchback might be the most underrated genius on the road today. At first glance, the 2025 Polo doesn't punch you in the face with aggression. Instead, it draws you in refined LED matrix headlights that look like they were sculpted, not engineered. With its cleaner, sharper lines and a slightly wider stance, it feels more grown up, more premium, almost like it secretly graduated into golf territory while nobody was watching. The new rear light signature, sleek, modern, and when those dynamic indicators light up, they feel like the wink of a car that knows it's cooler than you think. And get this, it's still compact enough to squeeze through tight city corners, yet bold enough to look like it belongs outside a luxury dealership. That balance, that's not easy. Underneath, the Polo offers a refined lineup of engines. The fan favorite? A 1.0-liter TSI turbocharged engine that punches way above its weight. With up to 110 horsepower, it's peppy, efficient, and surprisingly fun to throw around. And if you're thinking, that doesn't sound like much, here's the twist. It's not about raw power. It's about how the Polo delivers it. Smooth acceleration, razor-sharp steering, and that German engineering that makes even a school run feel a little bit sporty. Oh, and let's not forget the DSG dual-clutch transmission. Lightning fast. Shifts. Zero drama. It's the kind of gearbox that makes you feel like you're driving something way more expensive. Inside, the Polo pulls off something most cars in its class only dream of: tech with taste. You get a fully digital cockpit with VW's slick 1025-inch display and the infotainment. Responsive, crisp, and yes, it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more fumbling with cables, just get in, and you're connected. But here's where it gets interesting. The ambient lighting. The soft glow wrapping around the dash and doors doesn't just look good. It feels good. It makes the cabin feel like a mini lounge. Add in the new voice command system and touch-sensitive climate controls. And you're not just driving a car. You're stepping into a digital experience, and in a super mini. That's wild. Safety-wise, the Polo punches well above its weight class. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. It's got tech that was once reserved for the premium boys. Now, it's here in a Polo. But let's not forget what really sets the Polo apart: its identity. This isn't a car chasing fads. It's not trying to be something it's not. The Polo knows who it is: a smart, stylish, and surprisingly sophisticated hatchback that's been quietly evolving into a class leader. It's the friend who doesn't need to shout to be heard. The one who shows up on time every time, looking sharp and ready for anything. And maybe that's why the 2025 Polo is so special. Because while the world goes big, loud, and complicated, this little hatchback reminds us that sometimes less is more, and smart is sexy. So what do you think? Is the 2025 Volkswagen Polo the stealthy superstar of the hatchback world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another car review that cuts through the noise. This has been your behind the wheel voice of reason. Until next time, drive smart.